So today we are gonna work on the star stitch. This one is super, super simple. It's basically a back stitch, but in the shape of star. So let's get to it. So I am working with 3 threads. You can work with 1 up to 6 threads on your embroidery floss. I am just liking the look and feel of the 3 right now. It's a little bit more delicate, but you can do whatever you want. So we're gonna go through, I've already drawn a pattern on my piece of fabric with a heat erasable pen. And we're just gonna go up. I guess this isn't a back stitch, it's just a regular stitch. I don't know why I said back stitch. But it's literally just following your star and making the pattern. So I highly recommend when doing this stitch to sketch it out ahead of time, because it's very, very easy to miscalculate this one, and then it can look wonky really, really fast. So I highly recommend sketching it first so all your lines are nice and straight and they're all about the same diameter as well. Because when they start getting off, you definitely can notice and you can definitely tell in your finished piece. So this is probably one of the easier stitches, but it definitely adds a lot of character to your piece. These are great for little tiny stars, little tiny snowflakes. You can do less spokes, more spokes, whatever you want. Easy peasy. That's all it is, guys. All right, if you like this stitch, let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to see more stitches, more embroidery tips and tricks. Also, different felt crafts that we can embroider on. Be sure to check out the other videos for the different stitches that you can learn. Bye!